I think the core values that I see in Sussex is passion, making sure that we're always going to be able to give a product and a service that we can be proud of. Every product is made to the same calibre, to the same level. Our staff understands what it means to be precise, attention and respect, so that the product then can go on to the next hand with the same kind of outcome. We have the ability to produce a product in-house from woe to go. So from raw material right through to the finished product. I believe that combining old and new technology sets us apart. So the beauty between the old and the new is that we can combine new technology, robotics, CNC machinery, but we still hold on to a manual bending process. And the reason we choose to do that is because we want that control. We want to be able to say, yes, can you feel that cut? Can you feel how hard it is to bend or how easy it is to bend? And each one would be then made by hand. It's not something that we know, that we think that can't be done any other way, but we choose to do it that way because that's the product that we're providing. The shape of Sussex taps and where we've come from has always been a journey. We're forever looking at what the marketplace wants, what people want, and that drives us. We will continue to improve wherever practical, whether it's the surface finish, the wall thicknesses. We'll make sure that that product is coming out to the marketplace with our stamp on it.